Howdy folks, just a quick one today. If you watched my video last week, and I hope you did, about rhubarb syrup, you'll have seen that I also made rhubarb gin in that video. I just took the leftovers from making the syrup, put it in some gin for a couple of nights, and it comes out great. It comes out great pink color. I love it in a rhubarb gin and tonic. Go check out that video if you haven't. If you don't want to make rhubarb syrup, you could just chop up a little rhubarb and throw it in some gin, and I think it would probably come out almost as good. But I also thought I would try like a rhubarb Negroni. So what I did was I took the rhubarb gin and I built it sort of like you would a Boulevardier, 1.5 ounces of gin, rhubarb gin, 3/4 of an ounce of Lillet. I'm using Lillet because I don't want to muck up the nice red color too much, and but I do still want to keep it kind of sweet. I don't want to use dry vermouth; that'll bitter it up a little too much. And then 3/4 of an ounce Campari, because it's a Negroni. Gotta have Campari. But yeah, let's mix this up real quick. Look at this beaut. This is amazing, and the color is spectacular. Spectacular. I like turning down the Campari a little bit in this. Gives it a nice bitter aftertaste. You get that tart sweetness at the beginning. It's like a sweet, tart, bitter journey I'm going on. I dig it. It's still sort of a bracing gin quality, a juniper sort of back end. I mean, I think that's terrific. I really enjoy that, and I think it's totally worth getting rhubarb. Rhubarb around here is just commonplace. I don't know where you live if you got rhubarb, but it's cheap. Chop it up a little, throw it in some gin, you're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Go check out that other rhubarb syrup video if you're interested, and we'll see you next time.